Alright class, so today we are going to learn about the classification of microorganisms. Now turn to page 34.
Achoo!
Nazira, cover your mouth when sneezing, or not, your bacteria will spread to everyone here.
I guess it is virus, right? Not bacteria.
So which one is true?
Teacher, if someone is sneezing, does bacteria or virus that will spread?
Good question, Husna. But first, do you guys know what are the differences between bacteria and virus?
No.
There are so many differences between bacteria and viruses. First, viruses are not classified into any of the biological classification system. It is not even considered as a living organism, while bacteria are classified as prokaryotes. Next, viruses are so much smaller than bacteria in size. Most bacteria are microscopic, which means they are visible with a microscope, but viruses, they are too small to even be seen by a light microscope. Bacteria are more complex than virus. Bacteria can reproduce on their own and can survive in different environments, including extreme and heat, cold, radioactive waste, and the human body. Viruses require living hosts such as people, plants, or animals to multiply. Otherwise, they can't survive. When a virus enters your body, it invades some of your cells and takes over the cell machinery, redirecting it to produce the virus. Furthermore, bacteria and viruses also differ in their structures. Bacteria are single-celled, living organisms. They have a cell wall, DNA, plasmid, capsule, pili, endospores, and flagella, while virus consists only DNA and a capsid and sometimes outer envelope. Less than 1% of bacteria causes disease in people. Bacteria can often be helpful in digesting food, destroying disease-causing microbes, fighting cancer cells, and providing essential nutrients. Most viruses do cause disease, and they are quite specific about the cells they attack. Bacterial infections are caused by bacteria, and viral infections are caused by viruses. Antibiotics cure bacterial infections, but they are not going to work against virus.
Oh, now we know that virus and bacteria can transmit to other people while sneezing. I'm sorry, I will now cover my mouth when I sneeze.
Does virus and bacteria have any similarities?
Yes, they do. I actually learned on the internet that both bacteria and viruses can cause disease. They spread by coughing, sneezing, or coming into contact with animals, people, and also items. And secondly, I read that both bacteria and viruses can actually affect humans' health. And worse, they can actually cause death when not being treated.
Then, what about COVID-19? What's the relationship between COVID-19 and virus?
Oh, I have learned about this in the internet. Coronavirus is actually comes from family of Coronaviridae in the order of nidovirales. It can be divided into 4 genera, which is alpha coronavirus, beta coronavirus, gamma coronavirus, and delta coronavirus. Coronavirus are a large envelope and positive stranded RNA viruses. They have the largest genome among all the RNA viruses. Their genome is packed with helical capsid that is formed by nucleocapsid, which is N protein, and surrounded by an envelope. The viral protein also associated with 3 structural proteins, which is membrane protein, M protein, envelope protein, E protein, and spike protein, S protein. M protein and E protein is involved with the assembly of virus. Meanwhile, spike protein, which is S protein, is to intervene the virus so it can enter the host cells.
Absolutely. Does anyone else would like to share more information about the COVID-19?
Me, madam. The symptom of coronavirus can appear 2 to 14 days after you're exposed to the virus. Most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tiredness, while less common symptoms are sore throat, headache, loss of smell, and taste. But if you have serious symptoms such as chest pain or loss of movement and speech, you can seek immediate medical attention.
Wow, a really good explanation from all of you. Alright guys, after we discuss about this topic, I really hope we can together practice the SOP to stop the virus from spreading.